Hello everyone and Namaste India. GC Ganesh Chandra is back on my channel, that is I Love Electronics. So today I'm going to show you basically two simply electronic circuit, which is basics of LDR circuit. Or first one will be going to be dark sensor circuit and second will be going to light sensor circuit. So first of all, talk about the basic component which are going to be used in both of these circuits. First one is the resistance. You can see the R is the symbol and this is the actual resistance, and this is NPN transistor. As you can see, collector, base and emitter pin of this transistor, and these are two variable resistance. Basically this one is useful for a breadboard circuit, and this will be for the fabrication purpose. And as you can see, this is LED which is having a negative and positive terminal, and this is the LDR which is going to be work as a sensor to detect the light or and the darkness, and this is the buzzer which is having a polarity of positive terminal and negative terminal, and this is the power supply of the circuit which is going to be give the supply of 5 volt of DC to through these wires. And this is the first circuit which I'm going to show you. It is a dark resistance circuit, and this is the power supply, positive supply, negative. Positive is going to the collector through this resistance, and this the buzzer which is showing you the output, and negative terminal of this buzzer is actually the collector, and the emitter of this transistor is connected to the ground, and the base one is having the connection of LDR and emitter between these two, and this variable resistor is connected between the base and the collector of this transistor. As you can see, this terminal is connected to the positive. Let me show you how it's working in the breadboard circuit. Here we go. This is the working circuit of that dark sensor circuit. Okay, so here is the power supply. There is the indicator LED. You can see it is glowing, which means the power is supplied to the circuit. And these are the terminals. They are light green is negative, then here red is positive. This is the buzzer which is showing the output. This is the LDR which is acting as a sensor, light sensor, variable resistance, the transistor, and this simple resistance. Let me show you how it works. You can see there is a light, so the buzzer is not giving a sound. When there is a dark, it will give you a sound. Light, no buzzer. Dark, buzzer. This is how the dark sensor circuit is working. And let's come to the second circuit. This is the second circuit, which is light sensor circuit. As you can see, the positive terminal and the negative terminal, and output we are using the LEDs for output, and this is the same transistor which is NPN transistor. Only the difference between this light sensor and dark sensor is the position of this LDR as well as this variable resistance, and variable resistance in this circuit is useful to increase or decrease the sensitivity of the light sensor, right? LDR. Okay, so LDR is connected between the base and the collector of the transistor, and this variable resistance is here connected to the base and the emitter of this transistor. So, and these are the power supply circuit. This is positive one, this is the negative one. You can see. Let me show you how it's working in the breadboard circuit. Here you can see this is the light sensor circuit on the breadboard. This is the LDR, as you can see. This is the transistor. These are the output LEDs and resistance and variable resistance. There it is. So let me show you how it's working. As you can see, this is a light sensor circuit, so it will sense the presence of light. So if I will just switch off these lights, it will be, you can see the lights are not glowing. The lights are not glowing, and when I will just power on the source of light, you can see these LED output, these output LEDs are also giving you the lights. No light, no output. Light, output. No light, no output. This is all for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. And thank you for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye. And Namaste India. Bye.